Hi, this video is for all the buyers out there. I really feel for you. I know it can be a tough market. It's interesting because it's like you get that pre-approval and you're like so excited. You've been pre-approved, for example, for 750,000. You're like, yes, I can't wait to go shopping. You see that house and you want to submit an offer, and then your realtor says, sorry, but there's 6 other offers on this house. And it's like, oh my gosh, it's so demoralizing. So what do? Well, a good realtor can help you through that process and help you make your offer as attractive as you can so that you can hopefully win in this situation. So, for example, let's say the house is 750, you've been pre-approved to 750, so you thought you could offer 750, but now you're gonna have to offer 800,000 plus, who knows? So in the future, instead of offering or looking at homes at 750, look at homes at 700 or maybe 725. So you have a little bit of wiggle room in case you face this kind of situation. So that's the first thing. The second thing is have that heart to heart with your lender. Find out from them if they feel fully confident that your loan will go through. If they say, hey, you have no issues, you're solid financially, you're gonna be good to go, then go ahead and waive that financing. There's no point in having an extra contingency if you don't need it. Secondly, let's say you have extra money saved. Some people just don't have excess money, and let's say you do. Go ahead and waive that appraisal contingency also, so that, because you have a little bit more cushion in case the appraisal comes in low. And then finally, let's say you want to do a home inspection. And I know most people don't want to nitpick at the sellers, ask for every little thing. It's mostly because you're afraid that you're going to find something major wrong with the house, and you want the opportunity to void. So I get that. But let's say the house is new or newer, or you see that the seller kept the house in tip-top condition, very good at keeping the house in great condition, well-maintained, then go ahead and waive that home inspection. Or at least do the one where you can still void the contract, but you won't be asking the seller for any repairs, because that feels very nitpicky when you're competing against 6 other buyers. So all of these are great suggestions. I have other strategies definitely that I have, but you want to work with a great realtor like myself, top 1% realtor who can has a great success record and who can help you through giving you the most chances of success. I helped 23 families buy homes last year alone. That was on the buy side. So please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. And